So we're gonna make dumplings. I'm gonna help out a lot because I'm really good at cooking, as everyone knows.
Okay, so here's how to make spaghetti, and you have to make sure that it's what's going on here? Wait a minute. You have to make sure that there's water in that thing, but why is it on the bottom?
So to make the dough, you just need some flour and water. And then you just need to mix it for a while. For the filling, you actually only need some carrots and minced meat. Yeah, so this will take a while.
Press all straight down to the dough.
So like lift it up and push it down.
Not lift it up, but just like keep pressing it, pressing it, pressing it.
Oh,
But
like
more
this?
strength.
Oh.
Yeah, this is great. This is great. Yes.
Really? Really? Yes, I'm making dumplings. Yes, this is how you do it, apparently. So like, what does this do?
This can make it, how to say, 发酵.
发酵?
How to say 发酵? Ferment.
Knead.
Knead?
Knead.
Yeah. Olle has been living in China before,
That's the right part of it.
and that's why he's fluent in Chinese.
It's like when you squeeze it and you pull it a little bit, and then eventually the gluten,
Oh yeah.
the gluten strings will align a little bit, and you can stretch the dough and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's, yes.
Dough, like filial piety, like listening to your parents. So this is amazing. Liquor and listening to your parents is to need, because Chinese makes sense.
Finally, you just mix the carrots with the minced meat. And then you can add some spices.
And I will put coriander because I love it. Maybe a little bit garlic. More coriander. And messy. Don't judge me.
Oh, we're not judging you, Jessica. And to really spice things up, a wild Yoan appears.
Bro, pause, bro. Like here's your opportunity.
And then, when the dough is ready, it's time to prepare it.
Press it and then use your rolling pin here. Like just roll it to the round shape.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, try to make it not like evenly thin.
Not even.
Evenly thin. So you don't need like when you boil it, it won't float in the water. So it's better like for the side if the side is thin, it's okay, but for the middle, keep it not too thin. This is too small. You make it at least your palms, almost your palm size. Yeah, this is really
Better.
And then grab this and get a little bit of the filling. Put it in the middle.
See how this works. Try. Maybe more.
Yeah, a little more. And then try to close it. Try to close it.
Like a burrito.
Yeah.
Oh, but
Yeah, but when you close first in the middle. Close in the middle. Yeah, and then use one finger. Do this, like grab it and
So like keep the... What? Oh no. I don't understand. Is this the correct? No. No!
Just try to close it. Just grab it from the bottom. Everyone is watching me. I'm nervous.
And you're on camera.
Yeah.
You try it. Yeah.
Finally, we got some dumplings ready, and I have to say the form is pretty decent. And the final step is just letting them boil for like 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
And now it's time for tasting.
You can use more.
No, I know how to use this. I'm really good with chopsticks now, I promise. It's a bit difficult. Holding the camera.
It's really hot.
Is it? So that's it for today's video, making some sweet dumplings. Sorry, that was a bit cringe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you think I should make more videos like this one. And as always, subscribe if you haven't, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!